missing someone.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween. I hope you're all doing well. So this is the first episode of How To series, and in this first episode we'll learn how to be broke. Yes, you heard that very right, because सामान खरीदने के बाद हम अक्सर कंगले हो जाते हैं, पैसे नहीं बचते हैं, लाइक हराम के साथ सामान खरीद लिया, कैसे अपने सारे पैसे खर्च कर दें और फिर कहें कि ये क्या किया मैंने, थोड़ा ज़्यादा खरीद लिया. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing that I have today is this CAL Los Angeles Intensely Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 27 Rich Brown. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and CAL Los Angeles actually sent me this, so I'm really thankful to them for this. It is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is the exact thing that I'm wearing, and this is how it looks like. It is a deep brown shade. I've applied it, a little on the lighter side, but you can build it up. And I really love the lipstick. It is actually intensely matte and highly pigmented. This is not sponsored. I genuinely love this lipstick and would recommend it to you, and it is affordable as well. So this retails for $360, but you can always get it on Amazon for about $288 rupees. Next few things that I have, I'm really excited to show that to you, and it is from Sugar. So the first is this Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. The second is this Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 03 Peach Poppin'. And the third is Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 15 Stephanie Plum. First of all, look at the packaging. I really love how Sugar has done their packaging. It's so cool. So all the three products, they are already my favorite. This is how the Aquaholic Hydrating Stick looks like, and mind you, I haven't opened these yet. I was just waiting to record this video so that I could open it in front of you guys. Okay, so it has this little cap on top. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I just don't want to use it. I just want to keep it like that. Yeah, so it looks something like this, and let's see what the texture is. Oh my god, I just can't tell you. Oh, this is something out of this world. It is so smooth, and when I touch my skin, oh, it feels so good. It looks like a balm, but I don't know what is this. I mean, it leaves no color, but this is amazing. I mean, for now I can say I'm not sure. I might do a separate review on this, so if you want a separate review on this, do let me know in the comment section below. Next up we have this illuminating moisturizer, and I haven't opened the seal. Okay, I'll just take a little on my hand. Okay, so I've taken this much, and as far as I can see from the naked eye, it has, little sparkle particles inside, and I will just rub it. It definitely gives a glow. I mean, look at this side and this. I already like this moisturizer, and I will definitely use it in my next makeup videos, so check out for this moisturizer. Next thing that we have is this Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. I have opened this because I couldn't resist enough. So, and this is a beautiful shade, such a beautiful shade. I mean, this is what it looks like. I will just show you the lip and hand swatches. This is a beautiful mauvish plumish pink type shade. So this moisturizer retails for $4.99 and this no, not this one, and this lipstick retails for $8.99, but I think it was on maybe 11% kind of discount. मेरी maths अच्छी नहीं है तो खुद हिसाब लगा लो. So it was for $7.99, but the MRP was $8.99. And on top of that, Sugar was running an offer where if you buy worth $10.99, you get a product worth $8.99 free. And I got this and this, and I got this free. Can you believe it? I mean, I was blown away by the offer. I was like, how can they give this even? I was just like, oh, भाई ये क्या ऑफर है, मतलब मज़ा आ गया ये ऑफर देख के मेरे को तो. So for both of these I paid $12.98 and I got 3 products. It is a great deal, and I got this from Sugar's own website, so I would suggest you to buy from Sugar website only because they have some amazing offers running. The next thing that I have is from Mamaearth. Actually 2 things. अब तक तो सबको पता लग ही चुका होगा कि मुझे Mamaearth से कितना प्यार है, बट मैं ये बार बार बोलना चाहूँगी कि कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो नहीं है या मैं प्रोडक्ट्स स्पॉन्सरशिप के चक्कर में नहीं दिखा रही. आई जस्ट लव Mamaearth so much that I continuously buy their products to try them out. There's always a great offer running on Wednesdays. They have their Wow Wednesdays and they always have 20-25% off. So I highly recommend you to check their site and buy it from their website. So the first thing that I have is this vitamin C face wash. And the second thing that I have is the vitamin C face cream. So both of these are new launches and I have already started using these. The next video that you will see, that is a Q&A video, you will see that मैं उस वीडियो में कह रही हूँ that I haven't used any products with vitamin C till now, but that video was shot 2 weeks ago. This video is being shot on 4th July, a few days before uploading. So but that video was shot actually maybe a week or 2 weeks ago. So till then I didn't receive these and I didn't use them as well. So you might hear me saying that I haven't used anything with vitamin C, but I'm telling you in this video that I've started using this. Yeah, I am currently on my 2nd week and I will give this these 2 things 2 more weeks to find out the final results, and then I will definitely review both of these for you guys. Next few things that I got are from Myntra. First is this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. I was eyeing this since a lot of time, and since it is quite expensive, I believe, for a concealer, so I was just waiting for some discount. So the MRP is $6.95 and I got it for $4.51, which I think is a great deal for this. But I'm really not sure if this is my shade or not. I mean, I tried it under my eyes, so it has a little bit of orange undertone thing. I just randomly ordered it. I mean, I saw some videos on YouTube and I decided that this might be my shade, so I just got it, and it is close to my shade, but I would say it has an orange undertone to it. So I will see how to use it, and I will definitely use it in one of my makeup videos. So this has this brush applicator. This has this brush, and you squeeze it and you apply it with this brush only. The second thing that I got from Myntra is this Plum Chamomile and White Tea Calming Antioxidant Toner, and this is 200 ml. Also I got another toner, that is this Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner, same 200 ml, 390 rupees. I got it for 312. So I wanted to try plum toners and I will definitely review these. I haven't started using them, but I will soon. So in about a month or so you'll get a review on this. And another thing that I got from Plum, by the way, I have a lot of Plum things today. So this is the Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask. I mean, I was really excited to buy this, so I was really in the mode of buying everything. And if you have forgotten, this is a How to Be Broke series going on. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. I think it looks very classy. This is a glass bottle, sorry, glass tub, and it has this cap on it. And if we open it like this, it is a white clay. It is a white clay mask. So I haven't started using this as well. Definitely a review is due on this in a month or so. So the next few things that I got from Myntra are a few clothes, but I will show them to you at the end. I'm saving those good things for the end. And before that, let's see something else. I got something else from Plum as well, and this time I didn't get it from Myntra. I got it from Plum's own website, and you might have seen these recently, you know, a lot on social media. They are all over. So this is the Plum Body Loving Shower Gels. This is Oopsie Daisy, and this is Hawaiian Rumba. So Plum recently launched these. I got these 4-5 days back, and they launched maybe a week ago. So maybe around 2 weeks or so ago they launched this. They are the newest shower gels. And along with this we got this scrubber thing free. It is not a loofah. They wrote it loofah. I thought a loofah would come, but this is not a loofah. This is a body exfoliator scrub. Not exactly an exfoliator, but you know, a little bit of scrubber. Or maybe you can also use it for shower gels, I think. So you might have seen this already. So this is that kind of thing. We got this complimentary with this. But the main are these two shower gels. I'm really excited to try these. And just guess the price of both of these. I got both of these for 321 rupees. So both of these retail for 380 rupees, and we got a 500 rupee off. And then, you know, since our order was, I don't know, under 500 or 600, so we had to pay shipping. So we paid 99 shipping, and then there was some prepaid discount. So in all, घुमा फिरा के हिसाब खुद कर लो, मैच अच्छी नहीं है मेरी. So in all, I got both of these for 321, and I will definitely use it and do a mini review on my Instagram. So you know, I'm also thinking of doing mini reviews on Instagram from, you know, next week or next to next week onwards. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, that is @kishween.kaur. Quickly go and follow me and wait for those mini reviews. So now finally the clothing haul from Myntra, and let's begin. The first thing that I got is this t-shirt from Mast and Harbour. If it is called Mast only, it looks something like this. This is the size small, and it retails for 699 rupees, but I got it for 349, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, so I got it for 349. So the next thing that I got is again this t-shirt. It is an oversized t-shirt kind of thing, a very breezy cool t-shirt, and this retails for 11.99, but I got it for 5.99. It is from Levi's. It is also in the size small. The next two things that I got are from H&M, and Myntra had a huge sale on H&M. So this is a strappy V-neck top. It retails for 12.99. I got it for 6.49, and it is in the size this is UK size 10p. 10p is the exact size that I selected online. And the last and my most favorite thing from, you know, all of it, firstly because it's from H&M, secondly I just love it how it looks on me, and thirdly I got it on sale. This is the play suit from H&M. Firstly, just look how beautiful it is. I mean, I just love this floral print. It's so cool, so breezy. मतलब इसको पहन के मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मैं गोवा चली जाऊँ. मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ दिल्ली में. So it is so beautiful, and it retails for 12.99. You can see it retails for 12.99, and I got it for 5.19. Can you believe it? An H&M play suit, jumpsuit, whatever you know call it, in 5.19. What a sale, H&M. I love you for being on Myntra. I love Myntra for, you know, putting this sale up. I will just give all of the links and prices in the description box below. You can check them out. And now I'm broke, so अब मैं कुछ time तक तो कुछ नहीं खरीदूंगी. I hope so. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, this how to be broke series. Please hit the like button if you like this video और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. बटन यहाँ है, जल्दी से उसे क्लिक कर दो. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that is @kishween.kaur. Just जल्दी से जाओ फॉलो करो, बट पहले यहाँ सब्सक्राइब का लाइक का बटन दबा के जाना, कुछ नीचे कमेंट ज़रूर करके जाना, वीडियो को शेयर भी कर देना और फिर जाके मुझे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो. Yes, ऐसे ही करना है बिल्कुल. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.
Mona Lisa was lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.